Hello friends, now we are going to discuss about pointer and string. So for this session we are going to discuss how to create a pointer to string and how to access a string using a pointer. Here I have just declared one string of length 5 and it is holding the data India. When I go for creating this string, two main things will happen. First is nothing but memory is allocated for this string, and second thing is nothing but a constant pointer is created, and that constant pointer hold base address of this array, and that constant pointer have the name same as your name of the array. So how to use this constant pointer concept to access this string, that part we are going to study first. So for that I have just given simple for loop. With the help of that for loop I am trying to print the address and character of a string. So str plus I is nothing but your pointer arithmetic is done and accordingly the address will be printed. And str of I is nothing but here your character will be printed. So just execute the code and check the output for the first for loop. So this is the output of your first for loop. You will get the addresses and its character. From this output you are able to understand that every character required 1 byte of memory. Now, if you know the addresses, then how to dereference this address to access this individual character. So that part will be done here.
Take a second to subscribe my channel. Thank you.
For this code, I have just go for dereferencing of these addresses. So after dereferencing of this address, that is asterisk into the bracket str plus I, you are able to print the characters. I have separated every character by /t just for understanding purpose. Let us run the code. So now you can check every character is printed with space. So these characters are printed with the dereferencing of the addresses. And here we are working on the constant pointer concept. Now let us move to the next part, which is the main part, how to declare a pointer to string. So string is nothing but collection of character. So its type is character. So when we go for declaring a pointer to the string, its data type should be a character. So here I have declared a character pointer PTR and it will hold the base address of my string. Now I want to use this PTR to access the addresses as well as the character of a string. So for that this code is given. So now you can check just like previous, instead of str I have mentioned here PTR. Because PTR is again holding the base address of my string. And with the help of plus I, as I vary accordingly, the addresses will be calculated with the help of pointer arithmetic. So again, to print the character, I have just dereferenced the address and I will get the output. Now just execute the code and check for the output. So now you can check addresses and its value is given here. So this PTR plus I will give the addresses and this asterisk PTR plus I will go for dereferencing the address and it will print the character of your string. Another method for using a pointer to access a string. So instead of writing asterisk PTR plus I will just write down asterisk PTR here. And this increment of I can do it on next line. One more thing, I reinitialize the pointer here because while doing this pointer arithmetic of previous for loop, your pointer will be reached at the end of the string. So I again reinitialize to the base address here. Let us execute the code and check the output. So here you can check the output. That is India is printed with spaces and this every character is accessed with the help of a pointer. Hope so you understand how to access a string using a pointer. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.